Okay, Moo. I have a request of fans. Can you write out, like spell out how he goes nom 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 nom, or that? Can you type out? N-O-M is so common, but he puts a B in it, you know? And there's a bit of like he's whining. Okay, I'll leave it to you guys. I'll let Moo take it away. Or Daisy. Daisy? That works. Yeah. I know, God forbid, right? You get medicine, I know. You little boy. Yeah, Daisy? Moo, you chew. Oh, that was a loud one. Right in your sister's face? Look at his tail swoosh. Oh, Daisy, you got a lot to say today. He paces. Full 360. He's got it all going on today. Oh, no, he just hit the wall for no reason. Right in her face? Daisy's got a lot to say. Little does anyone know, I'm not gonna do it to her because that's mean, but Daisy will scream like him if he's not screaming. It's just much like daintier and quieter, but she'll yell too. It's just she lets him do it for her. It's so funny. Moo, do you scream for her? So funny.